Hello everyone, welcome back to another video of Automation Test Insider. So this is part 13 of Jira series guys, and today I'm going to talk about search in Jira. So this is very important concept in Jira. So whenever we work in a project inside Jira tool, so sometimes what happens is we need to filter out the records with a specific condition, right? So it becomes very important to search items in Jira. So that's what we are going to learn today, how we are going to search items in Jira with a specific condition. What are the different types of search in Jira? So let's get started, right? So if we talk about types of search in Jira, so there are two types. We have basic level search and we have advanced level search. Basic and advanced. So using basic, we use any keyword. We use any keyword or text to search items in Jira, or we can use the issue ID as well. So let's say our issue ID is MC_24 or MC_4. Like that we can put in this basic search and we can get our item. So we can either use keyword, text or issue ID. If you talk about advanced level search, so here we use a query language called JQL, Jira query language. So suppose we want some with some specific condition, right? So we can use this Jira query language. So this is advanced level search in Jira. Now if you talk about what are the different ways we can search items in Jira, so there are 5 ways we can search items in Jira. Like quick search, we have board level search, there is a basic search which we discussed now, and advanced search, and last one is filters. So these are the 5 ways we can search items in Jira. So we discussed about 2 types, right? Basic and advanced types. So these 3, quick search, board level search and basic search, belongs to basic level search. And if we talk about advanced and filters, belongs to advanced level search. So we can do JQL to do advanced search, or we can create different filters as well. So as part of this video, I'm going to discuss this part today, and this one we'll talk about in the next video, like how we are going to use JQL and how we can use different how to create different filters using JQL as well. So let's talk about how we can do quick search, board level search and basic search using basic level search in Jira. So let me take you to Jira account where we'll talk about it. So this is my Jira account guys, and if you go to the top right side, so here we have search item, right? Search Jira, right? So here you can use any keyword to search items in Jira. So if I type home, here you can see it will give me 3 results. So you can see this empty-1 home page empty project, right? And you can see this this is belongs to the below one is the project, my new project underscore t managed, and you can see the other 2 items belongs to different project. So this is global level search as well. So whenever you put any keyword over here or text, it will give the results. Like these are the 3 issues. So out of 3 issues, 2 of them, this green color, these 2 are the first and third one are the user stories, and the second one is epic. And you can filter it out also using this last updated. So anytime you can select today. So today we have created this issue type, so that's why it is filtering out the one record only. We can filter out using yesterday, past 7 days, like that. You can filter out using projects as well. So if I select this first project, so we should get 2 records, right? My new project underscore company managed, because those 2 items belongs to this project. If I select the another project, so it will give me only 1 item. So using this level, this search, we can search items across different projects inside Jira tool. And we have some other filter items as well, using filter by assignee and filter by reporter, filter by status as well. If I select open, so it will show me 2 items. If I select done, so it will display only 1 item. And using labels also, you can select by login or home page. We have created labels, different labels as well. while creating those user stories, right? User stories and different other issue types. Now if you go to this side, go to all, you can go to boards, projects, filters and people as well from here. So let's say I want to search with board as well. So if I select empty, you can see the boards also we can search over here, like empty board and my new project underscore T managed. If I select MC, you will see boards related to my new project underscore company managed project. So here you can see MC board, right? So we can go to that particular board as well from here, and you can go to that particular board from these 4 items as well, like boards or projects. Suppose I want to select any project over here, my new project. You can go to the projects, simply click on project, so you'll see all the projects listed down here like this. So this is basic level search from this global search we have in Jira, and you can search items across different projects in Jira. And earlier we used to see here Confluence pages as well, like we can search items from Confluence as well. We have another product called Compass here, but Confluence is not displaying right now. So this is how we can do the basic level search, quick level search, right? Quick search. And if I talk about board level search, so if you come down, come this side, left side, so this is my board related to this my new project underscore company managed board. Yeah, so here we have timeline, right? So from here we can quickly search the item from here as well, like timeline. So search item, so you can select home, you'll see this home page, one epic coming over here. If you select UI, so you'll see login page development, sign up page development. If you search with login, you'll see items related to this. And from here also you can filter out the records, right? So login, so you can select simply login page development. You can select, you can filter out the records using this different filters as well, like epics. So here we have 4 types of epics. You can get the particular item from here as well. So let's say UI, and inside UI, suppose I want a inside login page development, so it will display only one item over here. So if I expand this, so you'll see UI development. So this is this UI, whenever I put the keyword here, so it is search inside epic as well, right? So this it we found this UI development inside this login page development epic. So similarly we have labels as well, and we have quick filters here as well, so like only my issues which are assigned to me, or we have recently updated items as well. So this is a timeline level, timeline stage, right? So if I go to backlog, so here also we have similar kind of search items over here as well, search box. So if I select, if I put like UI, so you'll see UI development, we got one record here, and similarly we can filter out the records from here as well, like epic, some quick filters as well, and we can create the filters here as well, manage quick filters, and that will be also done using advanced level search like a JQL. So we'll see in the next video that that filter I'll talk about in the next video. And if you go to active sprint, so here also you can search using a particular item. Let's say suppose I want to go to this, I want to search with, if I know the issue ID, directly we can search the issue ID in our active sprint. So this is board level search, and now let's talk about the basic search, how we can search the basic. So if you go to these issues, right, so here we have you can see basic level search over here, like basic and JQL. So if I go to JQL, here we need to write query like this JQL, which we are going to discuss in the next video, but just navigate to this basic level search. Now here you can see in basic level search, you can simply search with your keyword like UI. So all the issues will be listed down here, and you can search the items from here. So either you can put any keyword or any particular issue ID as well, and you can filter out using different like status as well, like done. Suppose I want only done related status, so you'll find the item over here. Suppose I found in progress, you'll see the items related to, so we don't have any item over here. And from here you can select the project. So by default we are into this project, my new project underscore company managed, so that's why it is showing. It is already this is already checked, right? This my new project. Now if I put like home, let's see if it is filtering out any records or not. There are no records inside like in progress, so let me uncheck this. Similarly you can see the assignee as well, to whom it is assigned. So let's see, it is assigned to me, this home page user story, like this. And here you can go to this JQL as well, so which we are going to discuss in the next video, right? So this is all for today, guys. So in the next video we'll talk about how we can do advanced level search using JQL, right? So this is all for today. So let me know if you have any questions related to basic level search. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.